In today's video, we'll take a look at the entire coconut milk production process, starting from cutting fresh coconuts all the way to the finished product. Amidst sun-drenched groves, skilled hands meticulously harvest nature's bounty. Skilled workers efficiently collect the newly harvested coconuts, ensuring every piece is gathered with care. The journey of fresh coconuts begins, heading towards processing. The journey begins as fresh coconuts arrive, ready for transformation. Skilled hands ensure a smooth, efficient start to the production line. A steady flow of raw materials enters the facility, a testament to meticulous sourcing. Each coconut is expertly impaled, and its fibrous husk is swiftly removed. The semi-automated process combines human skill with machine efficiency. The rhythmic operation ensures a continuous, high-volume flow of dehusked coconuts. Each step reflects dedicated craftsmanship and modern processing capabilities. Automated precision ensures speed, while human vigilance maintains quality. From raw material to refined product, quality and efficiency drive every step. On the initial inspection line, only the highest quality coconuts proceed for processing. Each coconut is carefully examined, ensuring only pristine shells continue to the next stage. Skilled hands ensure every coconut meets our rigorous quality standards. This meticulous human inspection is critical for ensuring premium coconut milk. Automated precision begins, carefully preparing each coconut for its next transformation. Blades descend with pinpoint accuracy, making the initial clean split. pristine coconut halves embark on their journey to the next stage of processing. Skilled hands meticulously separate the fresh coconut meat, ensuring perfect quality for every batch. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Each piece of coconut meat is carefully extracted, a testament to the dedication to quality. The rhythmic, skilled motions ensure maximum yield and unspoiled coconut meat. Quality control is paramount, with each piece of meat carefully inspected. The speed and dexterity of the specialists ensure high throughput while maintaining precision. Each knife stroke demonstrates the mastery required to extract the delicate meat. The meat separation line operates with efficiency and unwavering commitment to pristine quality. Gentle abrasion precisely removes the thin brown skin, revealing the pure white coconut meat beneath. The machine efficiently separates the thin brown pesto from the pristine white coconut meat. This automated process ensures consistent quality, delivering perfectly prepared coconut meat for the next stage. Through precise automation, the raw coconut transforms, ready for the next delicious step. The journey continues as pure white coconut meat enters a high-pressure rinsing system. Each piece tumbles, ensuring every surface is meticulously cleaned. Emerging from the cleanse, the coconut meat glistens, perfectly pure. The rigorous wash ensures only the highest quality coconut meat proceeds. The pure coconut meat is now ready for transformation, entering the powerful industrial grater. Each flake is a testament to precision, collecting in the hopper, pristine and ready. Skilled hands ensure every batch of flakes meets the highest quality standards. A continuous cascade of fresh, finely grated coconut flakes, a vision of pristine quality. The industrial grater, a marvel of engineering, transforming whole coconuts into delicate flakes. With precision complete, the abundant flakes are ready for the next crucial step in coconut milk production. The heart of the coconut, meticulously grated, now enters the powerful screw press. Skilled American workers diligently monitor the machinery, ensuring optimal performance. Inside the press, the grated coconut is visibly compressed, its essence slowly liberated. The entire extraction area operates with precision, a testament to American manufacturing excellence. Fresh grated coconut is continuously fed, ensuring a seamless, high-volume production. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. From the very fibers, the creamy, rich essence of coconut is expertly drawn out. The press completes its final rotations, drawing out the very last precious drops of milk. Pure, creamy coconut milk begins its journey, a testament to meticulous extraction. Skilled American workers ensure every stage of production maintains the highest standards. This liquid gold is meticulously prepared for its final transformation. Skilled technicians meticulously monitor precise digital readouts, ensuring optimal quality. Within these advanced tanks, purified water blends perfectly to achieve the ideal fat content. Our state-of-the-art facility guarantees every batch meets the highest standards. This careful standardization ensures consistent quality and delightful taste in every product. From meticulous harvesting to precise blending, every step guarantees excellence. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor the advanced systems, ensuring optimal processing. Precision heating ensures harmful bacteria are eliminated while preserving the delicate flavor. pasteurization, the rich, smooth coconut milk flows onward for further processing. Throughout the process, stringent quality checks guarantee the purest coconut milk. The final product emerges, a testament to precision and natural goodness. High-pressure homogenization ensures the coconut milk achieves perfect smoothness and stability. This vital step refines the milk's texture, ensuring a premium, consistent product every time. The result is a perfectly smooth and stable coconut milk, ready for the next stage. Every component of the homogenization system is carefully maintained for peak performance. Precision engineering ensures every can is perfectly filled with premium coconut milk. The pure, white coconut milk flows, a testament to quality and meticulous processing. Each can, perfectly filled, advances swiftly for the final sealing process. Precision is paramount as each can is hermetically sealed with speed. Skilled American workers ensure every seal meets the highest standards. Precision labeling ensures every can of coconut milk is perfectly branded, ready for distribution. Each can is now branded, a testament to quality, moving toward its final packaging destination. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Ready for market, these perfectly labeled cans represent the culmination of meticulous craftsmanship. The robotic arm precisely packages each can, a blend of automation and skilled oversight. Each case is meticulously sealed, ensuring the product's integrity.